Okay, so I'm using the 35 color palette from Crown Brushes. Next, I'm applying a translucent powder under my eyes to catch any fallouts. Next, I'm using a brush from Morphe to apply the crease color. Next, I'm using a smaller crease brush and I'm applying a dark brown on the outside corner of my eyes and into the crease. And I'm packing the color right on the outside corners of my eyes. Next, I'm using a Morphe M506 brush to blend further between the transition shade and the dark brown color that I have applied. And I'm going again with the bigger brush. Then I'm going with the dark green color with a flat brush just on the outside corners of the eyes. Next, I'm using a flat brush again to apply a gold color on the eyelids. Next, I'm taking a small detail brush to apply a highlight on the inside corners. And I'm going to use an angled brush here to apply the gel eyeliner inside my eyes in the waterline. I'm also taking the gel eyeliner on the lower lash line. Next, I'm blending a dark green eyeshadow on the lower lash line, and I'm using a flat shader brush. Now I'm applying my eyeliner. This is the matte black eyeliner from the brand NYX. I'm taking a green gold glitter from the Cara Beauty palette, and this is a cream glitter, and I'm applying that using my fingers on my eyelids. Next, I'm taking the mascara from Barry M. This is the Vegas Lash Mascara. Applying that on the top and bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to be wiping off all the excess powder and fall out from under my eyes using a big fluffy brush. Making sure I'm blending under my eyes very well. Next, I'm taking my Ardell 4 Mink lashes in the style 811 and I'm applying them using my dual eyelash glue and a pair of tweezers. Also, I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner from NYX and I'm going to apply that on top of the lash band to make sure it blends with my eyeliner and eyelashes. So this is the eye makeup done. Just showing you guys the details of the eye makeup here. I love this look. It's very festive and very Christmassy. Now I'm blending my eyelashes with the false eyelashes using the same mascara I used earlier. Then I'm applying blush from L'Oreal. This is Life is a Peach and it's a beautiful peach color. It suits all the skin colors and types. Next, I'm applying the baked highlighter from Berry M using a small fluffy brush to my cheekbones, top of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. And this is a beautiful gold bronzy highlighter. Now I'm applying the lip liner from Berry M and it's in the shade Seductive. Makeup look suits nude lipstick. If you want to apply a lighter lip color or a beige color, you can do that, or even a brown lipstick. This would suit the eyeshadows very well. Next, I'm going to be applying the liquid lipstick from Berry M, and it's in the same color as the lip liner, Seductive. This is a very nice cool tone pink. Next, I'm going to be applying a lip gloss from Berry M as well, and it's in the shade Sugar. And after the lip gloss, I'm going to be applying a setting spray from NYX, and it's in the mattifying formula. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And I hope I can see you in my next video. Bye!